Use the best text prompts for excellent AI art results. We will focus on the prompts that you can use with MidJourney in this video, but the principle applies to any of the AI art platforms that you use. By using the best text prompts, you will get the best results with your AI art. It is in your interest to experiment with text prompts so that you can create the AI art that you want. Start with /imagine. To start creating any AI art using MidJourney, you need to begin with /imagine. You will then need to add a space and then start entering your prompt. Go to a MidJourney newcomer channel on Discord and you will find a text box at the bottom. Now enter your prompt using the following format: /imagine prompt description. When you have entered your prompt, you will need to hit the Enter key. Once you do this, the MidJourney AI algorithms will swing into action and start to create your AI art. Bear in mind that there are often thousands of users entering prompts into MidJourney, so it will take a little time for your art to appear. You will see the progress of your image in a percentage format. Your first prompt will usually not create what you want. You need to accept that it is going to take some time and practice to get the best AI art results with MidJourney. In the newcomer rooms, you will find several examples of AI art that aren't very good due to the prompts that the users have entered. When MidJourney creates your AI art images, it will display 4 different variations in a 2x2 grid. Directly underneath the grid of images, you will see buttons you can use to either upscale your images, the U buttons will make your images larger, or make variations to your images using the V buttons. Use more than one adjective in your prompts. Many new users with MidJourney will enter prompts that only contain one adjective and are then surprised when they don't get the results that they want. Let's say that you want to create an image around a bird. If you enter the prompt, a colorful bird, you're going to get a fairly simple result from MidJourney that will probably not meet your expectations. Be prepared to add more than one adjective. You will create a far better image if you add more adjectives to your prompt, such as a multicolored bird flying at sunset across a field of beautiful flowers. With this prompt, we have used 2 adjectives, multicolored and beautiful. Be as specific as you can. When you are more descriptive with your prompts, you provide the AI with more choices, and the AI art it produces will usually be significantly better than with a single prompt. It is a good idea to have a vivid picture in your mind of the kind of AI art that you want MidJourney to create for you. The better you can convert this vision into words, the better the results you will get with your AI art. In the example above, we have imagined our bird flying at sunset over a field of beautiful flowers. This gives MidJourney a lot to work with, and it will produce better images for you. Use well-known words. It will help if you use well-known words and phrases in your prompts. Here are some examples: king, queen, knight, dragon, wizard. This will help MidJourney as it has millions of image references in its databases. These all have labels associated with them, so there are likely to be many references with the king label, for example. Using well-known words and phrases will help you to create better AI art. Include the style that you want. If you want your AI art to have a specific artistic style, then you need to include this in your text prompt so that MidJourney can make this happen for you. Remember that we are talking about machines here, which are not going to think for themselves as we do. Here are some examples of artistic styles that you could use in your prompts: abstract, contemporary, cubism, cyberpunk, fantasy, impressionism, minimal, modern, surrealism. Again, you are giving MidJourney useful information to help it create the kind of AI art that you are looking for. It will take a while for you to become familiar with the right prompts. Bear in mind that the more you use your imagination, the better your AI art is likely to turn out. Use common MidJourney prompts. Some prompts appear many times when users create their AI art. The following list is some of the more common prompts that people use. This is not a definitive list by any means, and we recommend that you commit to building your prompt vocabulary so that you can create the best AI art. Here's a starter list of common AI prompts used with MidJourney: dynamic, atmospheric, futurism, dramatic light, maximum texture, anthropomorphic, time loop, 8K, concept art, very detailed, multiverse, cinematic lighting, atom punk, Unreal Engine, symmetrical, octane render, ray tracing, photorealistic, bionic futurism, hyper-realistic, steampunk, sharp focus, cyberpunk, rim lighting, iridescent, soft lighting, internal glow, volumetric, studio light, surreal, HDR, fantastic backlight, realistic CGI. Have a good look at these prompts and work out why they are often used. As we said, this is not an exhaustive list, and you can add your own prompts to it. What the users are doing here is describing what they want their AI art to look like by using the best terminology for the AI computers to understand. Enter your prompts with commas and spaces. When you are entering your prompts into MidJourney, you must use the right format, as you are not going to get the results you desire. The words and phrases that you use must be separated by a comma, and there must be a space between each word. Here's an example. Ice cream sundae, highly detailed, delicious, octane render, glistening, marshmallows, cherries. It doesn't matter too much what order the words and phrases are in, but we recommend that you begin your prompt sequence with the main item at the beginning. In this example, it is ice cream sundae. Do you think that you will get a good AI art image from the example prompt above? The answer is a resounding yes. Use advanced prompts for variations. Your AI art didn't turn out the way that you wanted it to. Rather than start again, you can ask MidJourney to make some variations for you. To get the best results from your variations, you need to use some advanced prompts to tell MidJourney what changes you want it to make. Here are some example variation prompts you could use. Style. Here you can specify a style, such as cyberpunk style, grunge style, Pixar movie style, and so on. Lighting and rendering. You can change the lighting and rendering of your images by using prompts such as softbox lighting, cinematic lighting, octane render, and so on. Chaos. This is a little-known prompt where you can increase the amount of abstraction using a number. So, for example, you can use the prompt Eiffel Tower, Chaos 50. Use a lower number for less chaos and a higher number for more chaos. Resolution. You can specify the resolution of your AI art with prompts such as 4K, 8K, ultra detailed, photorealistic, and so on. There are two standard settings you can use, which are HD and quality. So an example could be /imagine beautiful young woman, quality 7. Aspect ratio. Use prompts to specify the aspect ratio you desire, such as /imagine beautiful young woman, quality 7, AR 4:3. Use images as a prompt. If you want your AI art to be similar to an existing image, you can provide the URL of the image as a prompt. For example, /imagine https://www.imgur.com/xyz1234 beautiful young woman, quality 7. In the next video, we will discuss things you need to consider before selling AI art.